took tea, honey, paper mache items, wooden item, pottery. The boys wanted to buy a wooden peacock. She bought that for them. Then the little doll Mira, she wanted to buy honey.
उन्हें हमारा एम्पोरियम बहुत अच्छा लगा, अपीयरेंस, हमारा डेकोर, हैंडीक्राफ्ट, हैंडलूम आइटम उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगा।
We are very thrilled and very happy that along with the families they visit here and they buy some paper mache items, the small gift item for the kids and some brass items and small many items. They visit all the counters in the showroom, and Central Cotton Industry is one of the temple of art and craft. It's not an ordinary shop. So Central Cotton Industry is one of the very big organizations, biggest in the Asia, and deals with the handloom and handicrafts. So she really liked the art and craft. We buy from the very small interior in the village, and she really had the artisan also, and she really liked the crafts. सबसे ज़्यादा उन्होंने पसंद करा यहाँ की जो एम्बियंस थी, जो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट था, जो बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट खरीदना इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होता, दिस लॉट ऑफ क्राफ्ट इन जो वुडन की कार्विंग है और आपका पेपर मेशी का जो हैंड पेंटिंग है, रियल 24 कैरेट गोल्ड से जो काम हो रखा है, इज वन ऑफ द वेरी गुड आइटम्स. दे रियली लाइक द वे द आर्टिजन्स डू द क्राफ्ट एंड पेंटिंग्स एंड ऑल दैट.
पूरी फैमिली के साथ यहाँ आए थे, बच्चों को कुछ पसंद है, बच्चे भी थे?
अब बच्चों को बहुत पसंद आया. बच्चों को छोटे पेपर मेशी के आइटम बड़े पसंद आए. छोटे आइटम्स है जिसमें छोटा कछुआ था, थोड़ा सा स्वान था, एंड स्मॉल पेपर वेट आल्सो with the small elephants. They like it really.
See, ours is a handloom and handicraft emporium, so they were liking everything, but they were naturally short of time, so they spent already 40 minutes almost. They took tea, honey, paper mache items, wooden item, pottery. They have taken all these things, and they really appreciated the goods. They were very humble, very soft spoken, and they softly interacted with the staff.
Wife of Vice President Usha Mens is also visited. What she bought? What did she bought?
She bought whatever the kids said. Like if the kids wanted, the boys wanted to buy a wooden peacock, she bought that for them. Then the little doll Mira, she wanted to buy honey. So Honorable Vice President bought her honey. So they were liking what their kids were liking.
What kind of chat did you have with him?
Only about the products. Only about the products.